I, John Otieno, I'm one of the students that really, my life was really in a bad state, but I want to state my appreciation to Ms. Awinja for the kind of heart that you have and all the things that you have done to me. Actually, my life was in a bad state, and I did my KCP in 2005, and I had no money to go to school, so I had to sit at home. I had no life. My family was in a poor background, so I had no capability of going to secondary school. But according to the wish of God and the heart that drives Mr. Awinja through Kadogo to help me proceed with my education, I want to thank God for that. Secondly, I want to say that I'm aiming to be someone more important in life and to help other people. As the way I've seen Kadogo and the counters has helped me in my life to proceed with my education. I want also in my life to help other people, other children, other infants who are not capable in life. Once I succeed in life, then I have to help the other people upcoming so that the generation can be at least in a good manner. Now, I don't have much to say. Thanks for that.
And what's for your own future?
My future, specifically, I want to be accountant. I want to be accountant and a business manager in life. Yes.